Chapter 8. Networks. Networking refers to the interconnection of various devices for sharing their resources. The resources that they can share includes data or information and software as well as hardware. The computer in a network shares resources using a suitable communication channel, which may be either wired or wireless. An excellent example of a network is the Internet, which connects millions of people all over the world. Computer network. A computer network is a collection of interconnected computers that are equipped to exchange information and share resources with each other. Do you know? ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, was a network set up by the US Department of Defense that later developed into the Internet. Components of a network. The basic components of a communication network are as follows. Message. Message is the information to be communicated. It can be in the form of texts, audios, videos, pictures, or a combination of all of these. Sender. A sender is a device that sends a message. It is also called source or transmitter. It can be a computer, a printer, or another computer-related device. Receiver. A receiver is a device that receives a message. It is also called sink. It can be a computer or another computer-related device. Medium. A medium is the physical part that connects a sender and a receiver. It is used to transmit data. It is also called communication channel. It can be twisted pair wires, coaxial cables, fiber optic cables, radio waves, satellites, etc. Protocol. A set of rules that govern the communication between the devices is called protocol. Both sender and receiver must follow the same protocol to communicate with each other. Advantages of a computer network. Computer network has many advantages. It is widely used in today's world and provides multiple benefits to the people using it. Some of them are listed below. Hardware cost reduction. Due to sharing, devices like printer and scanner which are not used very often can be shared easily. This reduces hardware cost. 2. Communication. Using a network, different people can communicate with each other all over the world. People can communicate at very low cost via email, chatting, telephone, video conferencing and SMS services, etc. 3. Speed. Networking provides a facility to transfer the soft copies from one computer to other at a high speed. 4. Reliability. Data can still be accessed from another computer on the network if one computer is unavailable for some reasons. 5. Security. Important files are password protected. All the users do not have access to such files. Only specific users can access these files, so you do not have to worry about illegal copying of programs. 6. Centralized software management. Software can be loaded on one computer, called server, and all other computers in the networking can use them. 7. Cost efficient. The cost of hardware is considerably less in a computer network as all the computers share the hardware resources. 8. Work group computing. Work group software, such as Microsoft Backoffice, allows many users to work on a document or project concurrently. Disadvantages of a computer network. There are few disadvantages of computer networks. Some of them are as follows. 1. Expensive. Purchasing the network cabling and file servers can be expensive. 2. Security issues. Due to remote access facility, it is possible that some unauthorized person may access the data. 3. Social problems. Due to connection of computers with other computers from all over the world, any negative message can be sent easily to the entire world within seconds. Any baseless or false message sent may cause serious social problems. 4. Hacking. There is increased danger of hacking of computers on a network. 5. Server breakdown. If the server breaks down in a network, then all the computers become inaccessible. Types of networks. There are various types of computer networks. Generally, the following types of networks are used. Personal area network. PAN. It is the smallest and most basic type of network. It is a network arranged within a range of 10 meters. A typical PAN includes one or more computers, laptops, mobile phones, media players and playstations. There are two types of PAN. Wired Personal Area Network. It is created by using USB. Wireless Personal Area Network. It is developed by simply using wireless technologies such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It is a low-range network. Do you know? Thomas Zimmerman was the first research scientist to bring the idea of the Personal Area Network. Local Area Network. LAN. Local Area Network is a group of computers connected to each other in a small area such as a building, office, etc., to share information and resources. Schools and small organizations typically manage and maintain LAN. It is less costly as it is built with inexpensive hardware such as hubs, network adapters, and Ethernet cables. The data is transferred at an extremely faster rate in LAN. Campus Area Network. CANs are larger than LAN but smaller than MAN. These types of networks are seen in universities or local business campus. The geographical spread of a CAN is measured between 1 kilometer to 5 kilometers. Metropolitan Area Network, MAN. These type of networks are larger than LAN and CAN. MANs span an entire geographic area, typically a town or city, and sometimes a campus. These networks are managed either by a single person or by a company. There are generally 500 to 5,000 computers connected to this type of network. Wide Area Network. When a WAN covers a large geographical area, such as a country or continent. This type of network is used to connect computers at various cities in a country or across the world. A WAN is widely used in the field of business, government, and education. It connects computers and LANs in different cities via telephone lines, satellites and fiber optic cables. The most popular example of WAN is the Internet. Networking media. Data can be transmitted from one location to another through wires, wired networking technology, or without wires, wireless networking technology. Wired networking technology, wired media. In this networking technology, data is transmitted by using wires or cables. Some of the wired media are twisted pair cable. It is the oldest and most common form of wiring. It consists of two insulated copper wires that are twisted together. The cable can cover a long distance. It is flexible, has low weight and can be handled easily. Its installation is easy and inexpensive. Coaxial cable. It is generally used in the cable network to send the signals to TV set. This type of cable consists of a solid wire core surrounded by one or more foil or wire shield, each separated by some kind of plastic insulator. It is capable of carrying higher frequency signals than twisted pair cable. Optical fiber cable. It is a highly reliable cable to carry information quickly over a long distance. The typical optical fiber consists of ultra-thin fibers of glass called core. Around the core is a concentric layer of glass called the cladding. Coating. The cladding is a protective coating consisting of plastic. It is called jacket or sheath. It is difficult to install and maintain. Wireless networking technology, wireless media. In this network technology, data is transmitted without wires or cables. Some of the wireless media are Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a short-range radio technology or wireless technology used for communication between devices. It can connect up to 8 devices. It consumes less power, is slow and cheap as compared to Wi-Fi. Infrared. This technology uses an infrared light to send data. You can see the use of this type of transmission in everyday life in TV, AC remotes, wireless speakers, etc. The infrared light transmits data through the air and propagates throughout the room but will not penetrate the walls. Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. It is the most popular communication protocol used at homes, small offices and public hotspots. It is also used for connecting computers to the Internet. It has a range of about 1,000 in an open area and 250 to 400 in closed areas. Many devices, such as computers, laptops, smartphones, video game consoles, can be connected using the Wi-Fi technology. Do you know? Coaxial cable was invented by English engineer and mathematician Oliver Heaviside. Twisted pair cable was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Narinder Singh Kapni, an Indian-born American Sikh physicist, is known as father of fiber optics. Networking devices. Computers need networking hardware in order to connect to each other. Some of them are discussed below. Modem. The word modem stands for modulator-demodulator. It is a device that enables a computer to transmit data over telephone lines. Computer information is stored digitally, whereas information transmitted over telephone line is in the form of analog waves. A modem converts between these two forms. There are two types of modems: internal modems and external modems. Internal modems are in the form of circuit board, fitted in expansion slots of the motherboard. External modems are enclosed in separate cases and not inside the system unit. This modem is connected to the computer and telephone line by means of two separate cables. NIC, Network Interface Card. NIC is also known as LAN card. It makes computer compatible to participate in the network. Nowadays, most of the computers are supplied with an inbuilt NIC hub. A hub is a small, simple and inexpensive electronic device that connects multiple computers or other network devices together. It is a single point of connection for devices in a network. It is available with 8, 12 or 24 ports. It connects segments of a LAN. The NIC transfers data from a computer to a hub, which then transfers it to other connected computers. There are two types of hubs: active hub and passive hub. Bridge. A bridge is a device that is used to link to same network. It reduces the amount of traffic on LAN as it does not send all the data packets. It can be programmed to reject packets from particular network. Types of bridges are transparent bridge and source routing bridge. Switch. A switch performs a similar role to a hub and a bridge but is more powerful. A switch possesses data packets, determines the source and destination of each packet and passes them to the intended computer only. Thus, it also conserves network bandwidth by taking messages only to their concerned destinations. Router. A router is a hardware networking device that is used to connect to different networks. It is used to forward data packets from the source machine to the destination machine by using the shortest path. Gateway. A gateway is a device that connects dissimilar networks. It acts as an entrance to another network. It can translate information into a format that is understood by another network. It can be implemented as software or hardware or a combination of both. Repeater. A repeater is an electronic device that increases signal strength, so it can be transmitted and received over a greater distance without loss of quality. There are several different types of repeaters: a telephone repeater, an optical repeater and radio repeater, etc. Connector. Connector is a device that joins two computers or networks together. For example, a J45, registered Jack 45, is a connector used to connect computers on LANs. Network architecture. Network architecture means the design of a computer network. Two of the most widely used types of network architecture are client-server network, peer-to-peer network. Client-server network. In this network, a single powerful computer acts as a server. It is connected to multiple computers called clients. The server stores all the files, database and complex applications. The clients run programs and access data that are stored on the server. Types of client-server network architecture are one-tier architecture, two-tier architecture, three-tier architecture. Peer-to-peer network. P2P. A peer-to-peer network has no dedicated servers. Here in peer-to-peer network, a number of workstations or clients are connected together for the purpose of sharing devices, information or data. There are three types of P2P computer network architecture: pure P2P, hybrid P2P, centralized P2P. Network topology. A network topology is the arrangement with which computer systems or network devices are connected to each other. Topologies may define both physical and logical aspects of the network. Some of the common network topologies are bus topology, bar topology, star topology, mesh topology, bus topology. In bus topology, all the computers and devices are connected in series to a single linear cable called a trunk, or sometimes called a backbone. Both ends of the trunk must be terminated to stop the signal from bouncing back up the cable. Since the bus topology does not have a central point, it is difficult to troubleshoot problems. Also, a break at any point along the bus can cause the entire network to go down. Star topology. The star topology is the most common network topology. In star topology, all the computers are connected to a single central device known as a hub or switch. The hub or switch collects and distributes the flow of data within the network. Star topology is more reliable and is usually used in offices and schools. Ring topology. In ring topology, all the computer and devices are connected to a cable that forms a closed ring-like structure. In this topology, data is transmitted in one direction only. So, if one system crashes, the entire network goes down. Mesh topology. In mesh topology, every computer is connected to every other computer on the network. In this topology, message sent to a destination can take any possible shortest, easiest route to reach its destination. A failure of one device does not cause a break in the network or transmission of data. Types of a mesh topology are a full mesh topology, a partially connected mesh topology. Terms related to the Internet. There are many terms related to the Internet. Some of the basic terms are given below. Intranet. It is a private network of computers belonging to an organization or company. It can only be accessed by the employees and other authorized users of that particular organization. Internet. It is a network of networks. It may consist of millions of smaller networks worldwide. It is publicly accessible and transmits data using the standard Internet Protocol IP. Bandwidth. Bandwidth refers to the maximum amount of data that can be sent in a fixed amount of time. It is mostly measured in units of bits such as megabits per second Mbps and gigabits per second Gbps. Internet Service Provider ISP. ISP is the company that provides the Internet connections and services to Internet. You have to pay a monthly fee in order to use the Internet. Some of the popular ISPs in India are BSNL, MTNL, Vodafone, Airtel, Reliance Communication, etc. Website. Website is a set of pages of information on the Internet about a particular subject, published by a single person or an organization. Web browsers. A web browser is software that helps the users access and view different websites. Examples are Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape, Opera, Safari, etc. Web portal. Web portal is a specially designed website that brings information from different sources like emails, forums and search engine together in a uniform way. Examples are Yahoo, Lycos, Microsoft Network, AOL, etc. Web page. Web page is a document commonly written in hypertext markup language HTML that is accessible through the Internet by using a browser. It contains texts, pictures, audios or videos. URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. A URL refers to the address of a specific website on the Internet. URLs or web address of some websites are given below. Homepage. The first page, also called the index page, of any website is called its homepage. It has links to other pages of the website. It is a page that automatically opens when a website is visited. Hyperlink or link. A hyperlink or link connects one webpage to another document, webpage or file, or to a different part of the same document. When the mouse pointer is moved over a hyperlinked image or text, the pointer changes to a hand symbol. Hypertext. Hypertext is a file including text, graphics, audios, videos and hyperlinks to related files. Number address or IP address. This address is made up of 4 positive whole numbers in the range of 0 to 255 inclusive, joined together by periods or dots. For example, 192.12.145.76 and 131.54.98.234 are IP addresses.
Letter addressing or DNS or domain name system. This address consists of letters of alphabet. It is also called domain name. For example, hotmail.com, google.co.in. Here, the last 3 letters are important as they provide information about the kind of organization to which the address belongs. Some of the important abbreviations are listed below. Com, commercial organizations. Edu, educational institutions. Gov, government department. Net, network organizations. Mil, military organizations. Org, non-profit organizations. The letter addressing system also uses country code to specify the country. These codes normally comprise 2 letters. Some examples are given below. N for India, CA for Canada, JP for Japan, AU for Australia, FR for France, US for United States, UK for United Kingdom.
Network protocols. A network protocol is a set of rules that computers use to communicate with each other across a network. The commonly used protocols are discussed below. TCP or IP, Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. TCP or IP is used by computers to communicate over the Internet. The TCP component breaks down the data to be sent over the Internet into small packets. The IP component routes the packets to the specified IP address, which is its destination. It ensures that the packets are transmitted to the right address. At the receiving end, TCP collects and reassembles the data into its original form. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is a set of protocols for transferring files, text, graphics, sound, videos on the world wide. It is based on client and server model. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. FTP is basically used for transferring files to different networks. There may be a mass of files such as text files, multimedia files, etc. This way of file transfer is quicker than other methods. IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. It is a standard email protocol that stores email messages on a mail server, but allows the end user to view and manipulate the messages as though they were stored locally on the end user's computing device. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP manages the transmission and outgoing mail over the Internet. POP3, Post Office Protocol 3. POP3 is the most recent version of a standard protocol for receiving email. POP3 is a client-server protocol in which email is received and held for you by your Internet server. Cloud computing. When you store the data or run programs from the hard drive, it is called local storage and computing. Cloud computing means storing, accessing data and programs over the Internet using other than hard drive of the system. It is a type of Internet-based computing where different services such as servers, storage and applications are delivered to an organization's computers and derives through the Internet. With an online connection, cloud computing can be done anywhere and anytime. Do you know? Google Drive is a free service from Google. It is an example of cloud computing. It gives you access for creating and sharing documents, spreadsheets, presentations and other applications online. It offers 15 GB of free storage space. Characteristics of cloud computing. The essential characteristics of cloud computing are: on-demand self-service computer services, such as email, applications, network or server services can be provided without requiring human interaction with each service provider. Broad network access. Services are available over the net through mobile phones, tablets, laptops and workstations. Resource pooling. The resources like storage, processor, Memory and network bandwidth are pooled by multiple users. Rapid elasticity. It is the ability to quickly get or remove the access to resources. Measured services. It automatically controls and optimizes services depending on whether a user is using a free services or paid services. Advantages of cloud computing. It helps to share hardware resources through the internet. Thus, you do not need to install separate hardware devices on your computer system. It helps to share software or utility programs through the internet. So, you do not need to download or store software separately on your computer system. It helps to reduce the infrastructure and hardware maintenance costs. It provides a reliable service. If one server fails, the related applications and their services are automatically shifted to another server. The cloud can store much more data compared to a few external storage devices. Types of clouds. There are 4 types of clouds available. Public cloud. In public cloud, the resources are made available to general public over the internet. Private cloud. In private cloud, a distinct and secure cloud-based environment is used by single organization. Community cloud. In community cloud, private clouds are combined together. They are built specifically for the definite number of communities having common concern. Hybrid cloud. In hybrid cloud, 2 or more clouds, public, private or community, are combined together. Do you know? Google Docs allows 50 users to work and edit the same worksheet simultaneously in real time. Google Docs provides 1 GB of free storage space to its users. Recap zone. Networking refers to the interconnection of various devices for sharing their resources. Bluetooth is a short-range radio technology used for communication between devices. A router is a device that is used to connect to different networks. Gateway is a device that connects dissimilar networks. Cloud computing means storing, accessing data and programs over the internet using other than hard drive of the system.